셋, 별.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat and I share my work journey and my life. I've been doing a lot of sit-down videos, so why not stand for today? So now I will be sharing with you my desk, my office desk, and I am excited to do a quick desk tour with you. So as I shared on my last video, life update, I am already working as client service manager in one of the companies here in Cebu, but I'm still working at home and I only go to the office 5 days in a quarter. So I thought to myself, why not invest of having a good desk, my station at home, for me to be motivated, inspired, and have a lovely work day, right?
초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 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 초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 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 널 볼 수 있는 내 방의 윈도우 두근대는 나의 마음은 너의 징그러운 웃음소리 너는 내게 달콤해 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 날 볼 수 있는 너의 black eyes 두근대는 나의 마음을 너롭게 만드는 나의 미소 나는 내게 상큼해 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 두근두근 내게 다가와서 설레고 땀은 내게 속삭여줘 내 마음을 담을 수 있게 달콤히 내게 다가와줘 알콩달콩 내게 놀라워줘 나의 웃음 떠나가지 않도록 이 행복이 영원할 것 같은 맘 너도 나와 같은 마음인가 Always I'm thinking your smile 네 이름으로 가득한 페이퍼 설레이는 나의 마음은 아무 생각 없이 써내려간
So this is my new desk setup for my work. What I like about this table is it has 4 drawers. So the first drawer is for notebook, many papers, and then the second is for my makeup comb, for facial skincare routine. The third is for my BP app and medication, my maintenance. The last one is for miscellaneous stuff, extra headset, speaker, charger, and screws.
내게 묻지게처럼 너는 내게 매일 새로운 걸 나에게만 보여줄거지 난 네가 찾아온 sweet
I am really happy with how my desk looks like, I really believe that it's a good investment. It's worth it. Everything I have here are not expensive. Only got them all from Shopee. So guys, if you like what you see, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and it will greatly help my channel. I also want to thank our friends who've been with us, this channel, and for always supporting. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
나에게만 보여줄까